Welcome to an exciting journey through the world of alphabets. Are you ready to learn the ABCs in a whole new way? Imagine this, a song so catchy, it'll have you humming along in no time. Picture an alphabet adventure so fun, you won't even realize you're learning. Don't hesitate to jump right in. Here comes the ABC song, a tune that's both cheerful and easy to follow. Listen closely and you'll soon be singing along. A is for apple, sweet and round. B is for butterfly, fluttering around. C is for cat, with a soft, purring sound. D is for dog, best friend to be found. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, hopping all day. G is for giraffe, tall in the fray. H is for horse, running away. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jellyfish with no feet. K is for kangaroo, with a leap so neat. L is for lion, he can't be beat. M is for monkey, swinging high. N is for nightingale, singing in the sky. O is for owl with a wise eye. P is for penguin, in the cold he'll fly. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rabbit, brown and round. S is for snake, slithering on the ground. T is for turtle, slow and sound. U is for umbrella, for when it pours. V is for violin, playing lovely scores. W is for whale, with loud roars. X is for xylophone, with colorful doors. Y is for yak with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra with a striped coat. And that's the end of our alphabet float. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to replay this song and sing along until these letters are a part of you. Just like the sun rises in the morning, so will your knowledge grow with each day. So continue to sing, continue to learn, and continue to have fun. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of alphabets.